Do you know the journey from a raw material crude drug, that is active pharmaceutical ingredient, to a fine finished dosage form which is ready to consume by a patient? How the journey takes place? Have you ever wondered how simple chemical powder turns into tablet, capsule or injection? That's the magic of pharmaceutics. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pharma Talk with Imran. In today's video, I am going to explore a very interesting topic called as Basic Introduction to Pharmaceutics. In this video, I am going to discuss regarding the importance and purpose of this subject and how it is going to produce a very good impact in the formulation of various types of formulations or dosage forms. Pharmaceutics is a branch of pharmacy which mainly focus on designing of dosage forms. Means it mainly deals with the formulation, preparation and manufacturing of various types of dosage forms. Now, what is dosage form? It is a physical form in which the drug or the active component is incorporated and administered to the patient, or you can say it is the carrier of the drug molecule. Composition of dosage form. Dosage form mainly contains two main parts. One is active part, another one is inactive part. Active part is called as drug part, or you can say it mainly contains active pharmaceutical ingredient, or you can say the drug molecule, which is actually having the action on the body. And another part is called as inactive part, or you can say the non-drug part, which mainly contains excipients. Excipients like coloring agent, sweetening agent and diluents, binding agents. There are various types of excipients are there. Now, what is the purpose or importance of dosage form? So why dosage form is required? So it is required due to the following reasons. The first one is to deliver the drug safely and effectively. Means any drug to deliver safely and effectively, it should be incorporated in the dosage form. And the next is to mask the unpleasant taste and odor. If the drug has the bad taste, to mask that one, we require dosage form. Then to control the rate and site of drug release, we require dosage form. And to protect the drug from degradation like light, air and pH, we require dosage form. And to ensure correct dose and patient convenience, we require dosage form. There are some key aspects of pharmaceutics. So pharmaceutics subjects mainly deals with the designing of the dosage form. Because of that, it will very helpful in formulation. It is helpful in creating a effective and safe dosage forms. The second one is delivery system. So we can optimize how the drugs reach their target. Means when any drug is incorporated in the dosage form, so depending on the need or depending on the criteria, we can design the dosage form to reach the site of action, so that it will reach its target safely. Then stability. So it will ensure the drugs to remain potent over the time. Means it will protect the characteristics of the drug and it will helpful in remaining the potency of the drug. Then packaging and storage. The drugs are protected against the climatic conditions like temperature is there, atmospheric air is there, humidity is there. So for that we require proper packing. Then manufacturing. Means producing the drug efficiently and safely. So by the help of this subject knowledge, we can produce the drugs in a safe and efficient manner. the different types of dosage forms, or you can say the classification of dosage forms. Dosage forms are mainly classified based on two basic criteria. One is based on the physical form of the dosage form, and another one is based on the route of administration to the body. So the first one is based on the physical form. The dosage form will be available in the solid form, in the liquid form, and in the semi-solid form. For example, the solid forms, we can see the tablets, we can see the capsules, we can see the powders, granules are there. And in case of liquid dosage form, we can see solutions, syrups, emulsions, then suspensions. And in case of semi-solid dosage form, we can see ointments, we can see creams are there, gels are there, and paste are there. Then based on the route of drug administration, we can classify like this, that is oral route. So these formulations are given through the oral route, that is tablets, capsules, syrups. Then parenterals, so here we are going to give the injectables and infusions, implants. Then inhalation route, here we can give the aerosols, nebulizers, and inhalers. Then in the inhalation route, the aerosols and inhalers are there, and similarly there is a rectal route is there. In case of constipation problem, we can use the suppositories and enemas. Some advantages of solid dosage forms. Here we can achieve the accuracy of the dosage, means accurate dose we can give. For example, 500 mg tablet means it contains 500 mg of the drug. For example, 200 mg tablet means it contains 200 mg of the drug. Means we can accurately give the dosage, we can achieve the accuracy in the dosage. Then convenient to handle and transport, so we can easily handle the tablets, we can easily handle the capsules, there is no problem with handling and transport. Then better stability, because it is present in the solid form, there is a less chance of microbial attack, and we can store the product for a longer period of time. Then masking of taste and odor, we can easily mask the bad taste by using sweetening agent, and we can easily mask the bad smell by using the suitable flavoring agent. And here there is a modified release is possible, so we can alter the release of the drug from the dosage form. So we can that is from the dosage form, the release of the drug we can alter the rate, and the release quantity we can easily alter by using the modified release system. Then accurate self administration, so here self administration is possible, there is no requirement of any skilled person or any trained person. Then easy of identification, because the tablets are available in different colors, because of the color identification we can specify, or can we easily identify which type of tablet or which type of drug. So there is no confusion when we are going to take the more than 2 or 3 tablets simultaneously, because of the different colors we can easily identify the drug or dosage form. And there is a economical production, means it is cost less cost. So the tablets compared to other dosage forms, the solid dosage forms are of less cost. So there are some disadvantages of solid dosage forms also there. Like the first one is, it is not suitable for all category of the patient. For example, in case of kids, and in case of pediatric use, it is not suitable. Then in case of patient who is in unconscious condition, in those cases it is not suitable. Then compared to injectables, the onset of action, means the effect which is going to produce by the drug on the body is very slow as compared to injectables. Then difficult to formulate certain drugs, means all category of the drugs we cannot formulate in the form of solid dosage form, because they are because of the stability issue or some any other problem, we cannot formulate all the drug candidates in the solid dosage form. Then there is a possibility of dosage variation if it is broken. For example, when we are going to take the half tablet, or when we are going to take the 1 by 4th of the tablet portion, so there is a variation in the accuracy of the dosage. That is the problem. Then there is a issue in the bioavailability, because it is given through the oral route. Because the tablets are given through the oral route, it's supposed to pass through the GIT tract, that is gastrointestinal tract. Then it may delay in the absorption of the drug due to this GIT tract. Then dose flexibility is limited, means we cannot uh, that is, the dose flexibility means we cannot alter the dosage, because there is no measurement of the drug dosage, because the dose is fixed. 500 mg means 500 mg, 200 means 200 mg. The dose is fixed. We cannot entertain, we cannot relax or go for the flexibility of the dose. So here are some examples for the liquid dosage forms. It is available in the solution form also. So the marketed product, for example, is sodium chloride oral solution, and syrups are available like paracetamol pediatric syrup is available in the market. Then suspensions are also liquid dosage form. It is available as an antacid suspension. For example, Digene is there. Okay. Then Digene may be emulsion. There are various types of antacid suspensions are there. Then in case of emulsion, there is a cod liver oil emulsion is there. Then linctus, that is cough linctus, means it is used in case of to relieve the suppress the symptoms of cough, it is used. Then drops available, that is eye drops are there, nasal drops are there. Then injection, that is it is also present in the liquid form, that is especially the IB antibiotics, which is given through the parenteral route. There are some advantages of semi-solid dosage form. So example for semi-solid dosage form, as you know, there are ointments are there, creams are there, then gels are there. All these are the semi-solid dosage form, because the physical form is semi-solid. Then what are the advantages? Means we can achieve the localized action. Localized action means wherever the need of the drug is there, at that particular part only we can easily apply. For example, when we are going to give the tablet or capsule, when we are going to give the injectables, the effect of the drug is present on the whole body. But whereas in case of ointments, we can achieve the localized effect, means wherever it is necessary we can achieve the localized effect. For example, painkiller ointments are there, where the pain is there we can easily apply and we can achieve the local action. Then delivers the drug directly to the site of application, reducing the systemic side effects. Whereas in case of some other type of dosage forms, the drug is supposed to pass through the GIT, okay, then it is going to reach the site of action. Whereas in case of semi-solid dosage form, the drug is directly go into the site of action, and there is a less chance of entering into the systemic circulation, that is in the blood. Then easy to apply and remove, we can easily apply the painkiller ointments. Then simple to spread on the skin, removed by easy washing. We can easily wash or we can remove the drug after the application, easy by washing. That is, then prolonged effect, we can achieve the longer effect of the drug on the body. Then it avoids first pass metabolism, that is it will not go to the GIT, then it will directly act on the site of action, so we can avoid the first pass metabolism. Then a drug absorbed through the skin or mucous membrane, then the drug is going to enter into the skin, there is no entry in the liver, there is no entry into the other vital organs. Then it is suitable for heat or hydrolysis sensitive drugs. Then because they are non-aqueous or partly aqueous, some unstable drugs can be formulated means the drugs which are not aqueous, we can easily formulate in the form of ointments. Then easy patient compliance means patient can easily self administration is possible. The patient can easily use the these type of dosage forms. Then generally non-invasive means there is no pain on the application of the ointment compared to injectables. Then it can provide the emollient and protective effect. Then controlled release is also possible.